going to discuss the most important variety in permutation and combinations, which is integral solutions. Integral solution. First, write down what is that we are going to achieve. Right through in the class, we are going to discuss how to find out the total number of natural number solutions. How to find the total number of natural number solutions. How to find the total number of whole number solutions. Whole number solutions. Right? Next one. What if the variable is greater than or equivalent to other than 0 and 1? What if the variable is greater than or equivalent to other than 0 and 1? How to solve integral solutions for an inequality based problems? For an inequality based problems. Most of the concepts you will not find it in any of the regular textbooks. Listen carefully. Then how to solve the integral solutions for modulus functions. How to solve the integral solutions for the modulus functions. How to solve the integral solutions for ABC equivalent to K. In that one we will see how to find out the positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. And we will also see how to find out the non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Then we will also see how to find out the number of distinct terms. Number of distinct terms in a binomial expansion. Number of distinct terms in a binomial expansion. Then we will see how to find out the number of ways where sum of n dice is thrown. Sum of n dice is thrown. Extremely important for the students who are struggling with counting related problems. This is the entire sub-concepts which we will discuss in today's class. Natural number solutions, whole number solutions. What if the variables are greater than or equivalent to other than 0, 1? We will also see, after we discuss these both, we will also see how to find out the integral solutions. How to find out the integral solutions, variables greater than or equivalent to other than 0 and 1. In modulus functions, we will discuss mod A plus mod B less than or equivalent to K, mod A plus mod B plus mod C equivalent to K. How to find out the integral solutions for this type. We will also start with ABC equivalent to K. Then we will also expand it for 4 variables, 5 variables and so on. Find the number of distinct terms in a binomial expansion. How many terms are there in the expansion a plus b plus c power 12? How to find out the number of ways of getting sum of 3 dice as 9 without even counting it, and some exam based models. Extremely important class, sir. Exam based models. Kindly take a screenshot of it. All these concepts, it will take close to 120 minutes to complete these subtopic from permutation and combinations. 120 minutes of continuous problem solving, we will do it. Kindly take a screenshot of this one, sir, so that you will understand whether all the models I covered it or not. Natural number solution, whole number solutions, variables, inequality based problems, modulus functions. Are you all ready? Kindly reply in the live chat. Once you are ready, then we will start the class. Once you are ready, then we will start the class. Kindly reply in the live chat. So right now in my mobile the time is 9:40. I will take the class till 11:40. 9:40 to 11:40 I will take the class. Everybody kindly reply, sir. Everybody kindly reply. I hope you have taken a screenshot of what we are going to discuss in the next 2 hours. What is that you are going to get in 2 hours? Now, let us solve. Key points. I'll start from basics. Key points. First key point. natural number solutions, natural number solutions, natural number solutions, natural number solution starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. These is the domain of the natural number solution. It is also called as positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. Integers are of three types: negative, 0 and positive. Positive integral solutions are from 1 to infinite. 1 to infinite. Next one, whole number solutions. Whole number solutions. Whole number solutions are also called as non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Whole number solutions are also called as non-negative integral solutions other than negative. So negative, 0 and positive other than negative. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. And so on up to infinite. Now positive integral solutions are also called as natural number solution. Whole number solutions are also called as non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Third, if he is asking integral solutions, if he is asking integral solutions, integral can be a negative number, can be 0 and can be positive. One out of these three, all the three varieties will come. So integral solutions means it can be a combination of a negative integers, it can be a 0 or it can be a positive integers. It can be a positive integers. Integral solutions means negative integers, 0 and positive integers. This is the introduction. Wherever natural number solutions are there, wherever natural number solutions are there, a is greater than or equivalent to 1. If the domain of the variables is beginning from 1, then it is called a natural number solution. Then it is called a natural number solutions. If the domain of the variables is starting from 1, then it is a natural number solution. If the domain of the variables is starting from 0, if the domain of the variables is starting from 0, then it is called whole number solution. Then it is called whole number solutions. Then it is called whole number solutions. Other than 0 and 1, if it is starting with -2, -3, -2, +5, -12, anything other than 0 and 1, they are called as integral solutions. Integral solutions. Natural number solution, the lowest value variable can take is 1. In a whole number solution, the lowest value a variable can take is 0. In integers, integral solution, it can take the lowest value as a negative integer, highest value as a positive integer. It can take any value. I hope it is clear, right? With this introduction, let us solve. Our entire focus, what we will do is, we will solve most of the problems based on the natural number solution. First question, please write down in the same order, sir. A plus b is equivalent to 4. A comma b greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus b is equivalent to 4. A comma b greater than or equivalent to 1. Because it is starting greater than or equivalent to 1, I am finding the natural number solutions. I am finding the natural number solutions. A plus b equivalent to 4. One is a traditional method. How students will solve is, they will count it. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So there are 3 solutions are there. Answer is 3. Method number 2, which we popularly call it as a gap method. Which we popularly call it as a gap method. What is this gap method? A plus b equivalent to 4. 4 balls are kept in a line. If 4 balls are kept in a line, there are 3 gaps between 4 balls. There are 3 gaps between 4 balls. Suppose if I select this gap, 1 ball plus 3 ball, I got a solution. Or if I select this gap, 2 plus 2, I got another solution. Or if I select this one, 3 plus 1, another solution. If 4 balls are kept in a line, there are 3 gaps. Select any one gap. If I select any one gap, answer will be 3C1. 3C1 is nothing but 3. 3C1 is nothing but 3. First example, I will write it neatly. If 4 balls are there in a straight line, if 4 balls are straight in a straight line, there are 3 gaps. There are 3 gaps. In 3 gaps, select one gap. In 3 gaps, select one gap. In 3 gaps, select one gap. Second one, a plus b is equivalent to 8. A plus b is equivalent to 8. A comma b greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus b equivalent to 8. Total there are 8 balls are there. If there are 8 balls are there, there are 7 gaps. Select any one. NC1 is nothing but n. Second one answer is nothing but 7. Write down in the same order, sir. Write down in the same order. Only when you understand all these, you can solve this kind of questions very, very easily. See this kind of questions, pastry related question, station related questions, right? Some questions which will take 2-3 minutes to solve. How to solve it? How to find out the solution for the equation a plus b plus c equivalent to 48. A less than b less than c. We will do a case a greater than b greater than c. A less than b greater than c. All the cases, right? Modulus related questions. Number of distinct terms. See how to write out the positive integral solutions in seconds. Fundamentals are extremely important, sir. All these problems we will discuss in the first class only. Right, but our fundamental should be extremely clear. A plus b equivalent to 8, answer is nothing but 7C1. Third one, write down in the same order, sir. Third one, 2a plus 3b equivalent to 600. A comma b greater than or equivalent to 1. A comma b greater than or equivalent to 1. 600. 600 is divisible by 3 because it is 3 into 200. These is also divisible by 3. 2a, it should be divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, a is nothing but 3x. A is nothing but 3x. This is an even number. 600 is an even number. B should also be an even number. So B will be 2y. 6x plus 6y equivalent to 600, which is nothing but x plus y is equivalent to 100. X plus y 99 gaps are there. Answer is nothing but 199C1. Answer is nothing but 199C1. Fourth one, a plus b equivalent to 6. 1 less than or equivalent to ab less than or equivalent to 6. A plus b equivalent to 6. 1 less than or equivalent to ab less than or equivalent to 6. It is nothing but in how many ways can the sum of 2 dice, the value comes out to be 6. The value comes out to be 6. Now see here. A plus b equivalent to 6. 6 balls are there. There are 5 gaps. So out of 5, select 1. Answer is nothing but 5C1. Answer is nothing but 5C1. Suppose if the same question is asked like this. A plus b equivalent to 8. 1 less than or equivalent to ab less than or equivalent to 6. In how many ways can the sum of 2 dice be 8? In how many ways can the sum of 2 dice comes out to be 8? Now see here, 8 means 7 balls, 7C1. So 7C1. But if you observe carefully, the upper limit of the variables a comma b, it is less than or equivalent to 6. There are some cases 7 comma 1. 7 comma 1 case we have to eliminate, right? 8 comma 0. 8 comma 0 case not required. 8 comma case which is not required. So out of 7 cases, 1 case will give you 1 case 7 comma 1 and 1 comma 7. 7 comma 1 and 1 comma 7. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. 7 minus 2 it is nothing but 5. 1 minute. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. right? So I already told you there is a triangle method through which you can determine it. In case if you are not comfortable with the triangle method, that also we will discuss. A plus b equivalent to 8, 1 less than or equivalent to ab less than or equivalent to 6. 8 means 7c1 7. There are two cases which are exceeding 6, 7 comma 1 and 1 comma 7, which can be eliminated. These also I will discuss. Just park it for some time. Triangle method to determine the sum of two dice. Fifth one, I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, sixth one, a plus b plus c equivalent to 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. 8 balls are there in a number line. If 8 balls are there in a number line, 3, 6, 7, 8, there are 7 gaps. If 2 variables are there, 1 cut. If 3 variables are there, 2 cut. 7C2. N into N minus 1 by 2. Answer is nothing but 21. Answer is nothing but 21. You don't need to count any of the cases. You don't no need to count any of the cases. 7C2, it is nothing but 21. Suppose in case if you want to do counting and cross check whether 21 is right or wrong. A value 1, B value 1, C value 6. 1 plus 1 plus 6 is 8. 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. 2 are identical. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial 3. Next one, 1, 2, 5. Sum is 8. 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. Next one, 1, 3, 4. 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. 6 cases. Next one, which is nothing but 2, 4, 4, 2 comma 2 comma 4, 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is nothing but 3. Next case, 3, 3, 2, 3 plus 3 plus 2, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3. All the cases are over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 comma 1 comma 1, the minimum value will be 2. So 12, 18, 21. You don't need to do all these counting cases. You can easily do by using these logic. A plus B plus C is 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. If 8 balls are there in a line, there are 7 gaps. Select any 2 gaps. Next one, A1 plus A2 plus A3 equivalent to 30. A1, A2, A3 all are greater than or equivalent to 1. 30 balls are there, there are 29 gaps. Answer is nothing but 29C2. Answer is nothing but 29C2. Eighth one, A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 8. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. A plus B plus C is 8. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. Now see here. It is nothing but in how many ways can the sum of 3 dice be 8? Sum of 3 dice be 8. 8 balls are there. There are 7 gaps, so it is 7C2. 7 into 6 by 2, which is nothing but 21. From which case onwards I will subtract? See, lowest if I take 7. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. That means beyond 8 there will be some cases which we have to subtract. That will be my next question. Write down in the same order, sir. You will see how beautifully you will solve some of the counting problems in seconds once all the models are covered. 7C2, answer is nothing but 21. So sum of 3 dice, answer is nothing but 21. Ninth question. Write down in the same order, sir. A plus B plus C, which is nothing but 10. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. What is the answer for this question? A plus B plus C equivalent to 10. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC. 10 is nothing but 9C2. 9C2 minus, there are some cases that we have to eliminate. 7 comma 1 comma 2. Sum is nothing but 10. These 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial, which is 6. 8 comma 1 comma 1. The upper limit of ABC is 6. It cannot go beyond 6. So 3 numbers are identical. 2 are identical. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3. So these is nothing but 9C2 minus 9. 9C2 is nothing but 9 into 8 by 2 minus 9. 36 minus 9. Answer is nothing but 27. How beautifully you can solve. In how many ways can sum of 3 dice value is 10 just by using this gap method? I hope it is clear. Suppose 10th question. A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 equivalent to 12. A1, A2, A3, A4 all are greater than or equivalent to 1. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. So 12 balls are there. There are 11 gaps are there. So answer is 11C3. Answer is nothing but 11C3. I hope the idea it is clear. 11C3. 11th question. Maximum number of problem solving which we will do it. 11th question. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This is an exam related question, sir. Right? This is nothing but 11. 1 less than or equivalent to A, B, C, D, E less than or equivalent to 6. In how many ways can the sum of 5 dice? In how many ways can the sum of 5 dice comes out to be 11? Most of the students thought that this question is difficult. Actually, it's an easy question. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. It is nothing but 11. So 11 is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 10C4 minus of 7 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. It is nothing but 11. These 5 numbers can arrange among themselves in 5 factorial. 1 is there 4 times. So 4 factorial. 5 factorial by 4 factorial is 5. So answer for this question is 10C4 minus 5. Answer for this question is nothing but 10C4 minus 5. In how many ways can the sum of 5 dice? It is nothing but 11. 5 dice, it is nothing but 11. 12th question. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, which is nothing but 20. A3 plus A4 plus A5, which is nothing but 11. All variables A1 to A5, all are greater than or equivalent to 1. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. There are 2 equations, 2 system of equations. What will be the answer? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is 20. A3 plus A4 plus A5 is 11. System of equations. What these substitute in place of this one. So these nothing but A1 plus A2 equivalent to 9. A3 plus A4 plus A5. A3 plus A4 plus A5. It is nothing but 11. Both are independent variables. These is nothing but 8C1. These is nothing but 10C2. Both are happening one after the other. So answer for this question is 8C1 into 10C2. Answer for this question is nothing but 8C1 into 10C2. I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear. Right? Idea clear, right? 13th question. All our variables are starting from 1. Maximum number of questions which we will solve it. 13th one. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. It is 15. A1 plus A2. It is nothing but 4. A1 plus A3. It is nothing but 5. It is nothing but 5. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. All are A4 till A4. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. What will be the answer? Now see here. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. If A1 is 1, A2 will be 3. And A3 will be, A1 is 1, A3 will be 4. So what is remaining? Remaining is A4. A4 is nothing but 8 plus 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. A4 is 7. This is case number 1. If A1 is 2, A2 will be 2, A3 will be 3, A4 will be 7, 5, 7, these nothing but 8. I hope it is clear. A1 if it is 3, A2 it will be 1, A3 it will be 2, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, A4 it is nothing but 9. A1 cannot be 4 because if A1 is 4, A2 will become 0, but A1, A2, A3, A4, right? All are greater than or equivalent to 1. So what are the cases that we got? 1, 3, 4, 7. A1 can take either 1 or A1 can take 2, 2, 2, 3, 8. Or it can take 3129, 3129. What will be the values? A1, A2, A3, A4 will take 3 values it can take. 3 values it can take. Here there is A1, here there is A1, here there is A1. I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 3, 4, 7, 2, 2, 3, 8, 3, 1, 2, 9. 3 quadruples we got. So answer for this question is nothing but 3. 13th question. I hope the idea it is clear. Next, 14th question. 14th question. First basics, then we will get into an high level counting problems. 14th question. A plus B plus C, it is 48. A, B, C are even natural numbers. A, B, C are even natural numbers. A, B, C are even natural numbers. If A, B, C are even natural numbers, A will be 2k1, B will be 2k2, C will be 2k3. So these are nothing but 2 common, k1 plus k2 plus k3, which is nothing but 48. So k1 plus k2 plus k3, which is nothing but 24. 24 answer is nothing but 23C2. 23C2. I told you a note, I am sure some of you remember it. NCR, NCR, if n is a prime number, if n is a prime number, answer will be divisible by n. Answer will be divisible by n. Answer will be divisible by n. K1 plus K2 plus K3 is 48 by 2, 24. 24 means 23C2. 23, it is a prime number, so answer will be divisible by 23. Answer will be divisible by 23. 15th, A plus B equivalent to 51. A plus B equivalent to 51. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means if this is odd, B also it is odd. Odd plus odd is nothing but an even number. But 51 it is an odd number. Answer is no value for A comma B exists. No value for A comma B exists. No value for A comma B exists. A plus B is equivalent to 51. A and B are odd natural numbers. Odd plus odd, it is an even number, but 51 it is an odd number. Answer is no value for A comma B exists. 15th one. 16th one. 16th one. A plus B is equivalent to 36. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. If A and B are odd natural numbers, odd number can be written as 2k1 minus 1 or 2k1 plus 1. But I want to start with the variable 1. A is 2k1 minus 1. B is 2k2 minus 1. K2 greater than or equivalent to 1. So 2 if I take common, k1 plus k2 minus 2 if it comes to the right hand side, 38. So k1 plus k2 it is nothing but 19. Answer for this question is nothing but 18C1. Answer is nothing but 18C1. Sir, can I take 2k1 plus 1, 2k2 plus 1? That also can be taken. Once I discuss whole number solution, I will solve this question again. I will solve this question again. 17th, one more question. A plus B plus C is 51. A, B, C are odd natural numbers. A, B, C are odd natural numbers. If they are odd natural numbers, what will be the answer? A is nothing but 2k1 minus 1. B is nothing but 2k2 minus 1. C is nothing but 2k3 minus 1. So, D is nothing but 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 minus 3 equivalent to 51, 54. k1 plus k2 plus k3, which is nothing but 27. 27 answer is nothing but 26C2. 26C2. Another model. A plus B equivalent to 36. Odd plus odd is an even number. Any odd number is of the form 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1, 2 common, minus 2 comes to the right hand side, 38, k1 plus k2 is 19, answer is 18c1. Similarly, 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1, 2k3 minus 1. Minus 3, if it goes to the right side, 54. So, which is 27. Answer is 26c2. 18th question, please write down. Right, just keep writing various models, sir. A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 60. A, B, C are multiples of 3. A, B, C are multiples of 3. If A, B, C are multiples of 3, these is nothing but 3 into K1 plus K2 plus K3, which is nothing but 60. So, these is nothing but K1 plus K2 plus K3, it is 20. So, answer for this question is 19C2. Answer for this question is 19C2. Right? Answer is nothing but 19C2. Idea clear, right? Naveen, mention the question. I will take up your doubt. 19th. A plus B. A plus B, it is nothing but 55. A plus B is 55. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. How many values A and B will take? A plus B, it is 55. A and B are prime numbers. 55, it is nothing but an odd number. So, for sum of two prime numbers, it is an odd number. Definitely one has to be even or another has to be odd. Even plus odd or odd plus even. Even plus odd or odd plus even. So, answer is 2 plus 53. Answer is 2 plus 53 or 53 plus 2. So, how many values A, B can take? A can take either 2 or A can take 53. So, answer is nothing but number of values A, B can take is nothing but 2. Number of values A, B can take is nothing but 2. 19th question. I hope the idea it is clear. Naveen, for you, A plus B plus C is equivalent to 48. A is even, B is even, C is even. Even number is 2k1, D is 2k2, D is 2k3. Any even number is of the form 2k, equivalent to 48. D is nothing but k1 plus k2 plus k3, it is nothing but 24. So, what will be the answer? 23C2. Answer is nothing but 24 balls are there. There are 23 gaps. So, answer is 23C2. 23C2. 18th over, 19th over. I hope the idea it is clear. 20th, another model. A plus B plus C, it is less than 12. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B plus C less than 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to 1. Method 1. Method 1. Listen carefully. A plus B plus C is less than 12. First we will see the traditional method. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Traditional method. A plus B plus C. What is the lowest value A, B, C can take? 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 3. So, this can go up to 4. Here it is nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and it is 10 and it is 11. A plus B plus C is less than 12. Lowest value A, B, C sum can take is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So, it can go up to a natural number less than 12 which is nothing but 11. So, A plus B plus C 3. 3 means 2 gaps, 2C2. 4 means 3C2. 5 means 4C2. 6 is 5C2, and so on up to 11 is nothing but 10C2. 11 is nothing but 10C2. So answer is nothing but 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. This many calculations are required. I hope it is clear why I started with 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Less than 12 it is nothing but. What is the maximum value? It will be less than 12. So it is nothing but 11. 2C2, 3C2 till 10C2. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. 21st question. Please write down. This is the traditional method. Don't use this method in the exam. 21st. Method number 2. A plus B plus C. It is less than 12. A plus B plus C. Less than 12. A plus B plus C. Less than 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Now see here. Anil Nair's way of solving single step answer. Anil Nair's way of solving. A plus B plus C is less than 12. Now, can I say less than 12 means the maximum value it can take is 11. It can take 9. It can take 8. It can take 7. And it can go on up to 3. To all these values, if I add a positive value, will I get some 12? Yes or no? 11 if I am adding 1, I will get 12. 10 if I am adding 2, I will get 12. 9 if I am adding 3, I will get 12. 3 if I am adding positive, I will get 12. Suppose you wrote an exam. Cutoff is 20 marks. But you got less than 20 marks. If I add some positive value, you will get 20. You got 15 marks. I will add 5. You got 18 marks. I add 2. If you got 16 marks, I add 4. You got 9 marks. I added 11. So the idea is to eliminate the inequality. Idea is to eliminate the inequality. Suppose if I eliminate the inequality, this equation is A plus B plus C some value. If I add some positive value, I can get the sum 12. What is D? D is greater than or equivalent to 1. Anyway, ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. 12 means how many are there? 11 gaps are there. Select 3. So answer is nothing but 11C3. Answer for this question is nothing but 11C3. I hope it is clear. If A plus B plus C is 11, D value will be 1. If A plus B plus C is 10, D value will be 2. If A plus B plus C 5, D value will be 7. Answer for this question is nothing but 11C3. Answer for this question is nothing but 11C3. Sir, before that we got a value. Are they both the same? Now, please write down. We got this value 2C2 plus 3C2 plus 4C2 and so on up to 10C2 we got. These also equivalent to 11C3. There is an expansion. That expansion is XCX. Please write down. X plus 1CX and so on up to X plus RCX. This answer is nothing but X plus R plus 1. Cx plus 1. Please write down. If it is 2C2, 3C2 till 10C2, answer is x plus r plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 2 plus 1, it is 3. Both are same. Value wise, both are same. XCX plus x plus 1 CX and so on up to x plus r plus 1 CX plus 1 is nothing but x plus r cx is nothing but x plus r plus 1 cx plus 1. You don't need to remember these binomial expansion. Think logically. Eliminate less than inequality and put equivalent to. So A plus B plus C plus D, it is nothing but 12. Answer is nothing but 11C3. Answer is nothing but 11C3. Few more questions. Please write down. A plus B plus C plus D less than 20. A plus B plus C plus D less than 20. So what will be the answer for this question? These are nothing but A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 20. So A, B, C, D are already greater than or equivalent to 1. E is greater than or equivalent to 1. So what will be the answer? Answer is nothing but 19C4. Answer for this question is nothing but 19C4. One more model of this question. A1, A2 till A7. It is less than 36. So these nothing but A1 plus A2 till A7 plus A8. It is nothing but 36. Answer is 35C7. Answer is nothing but 35C7. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? A plus B plus C plus D. If A plus B plus C plus D is 19, E will take 1 which is positive. If it is 18, this will take 2. If it is 10, this will take 10. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 20. So answer is nothing but 19C4. Answer is nothing but 19C4. If it is taking till 35, A8 will take 1. If it is taking 30, A8 will take 6. So answer is nothing but 36 balls are placed. So 35C7. Answer is nothing but 35C7. 35C7. I hope the idea it is clear. Another model. 10 is less than A plus B plus C is less than 35. Both the sides limits are there. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. 10 less than A plus B plus C less than 35. Write A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Now see here. Method 1. Traditional method. Method 1. Traditional method. How students will solve this problem is 10 less than A plus B plus C less than 35. So A plus B plus C it is nothing but 11. It can take 12. It can take 13. It can take 14. And it can take till 34. Am I right? 11 is nothing but 10C2. 12 is nothing but 11C2. 13 is nothing but 12C2. 14 is nothing but 13C2. 34 is nothing but 33C2. So answer is nothing but 10C2 plus 11C2 and so on up to 33C2. This is the traditional method. This is the traditional method. Method 2. Anil Nair's way. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Method 2. How to get this answer very, very fast. Method 2. Now, see here, forget about lower limit first. A plus B plus C is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it can go on up to 34. It can go on up to 34. I forgot this one. I forgot this. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 34. Now I will apply that. It is from 11 to 34. That means this one I require answer. Am I right? 11 to 34 is this one. 11 to 34 I require. This portion, box portion is nothing but total portion. Total portion is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C less than 35. Am I right? Less than 35 means our highest value is 34 minus all these values are nothing but A plus B plus C less than 11. Less than 11 is highest value 10, right? So what is the answer for this question? This is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 35. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 11. So what will be the answer? These are nothing but 34C3. These are nothing but 10C3. Answer is 34C3 minus 10C3. Answer is 34C3 minus 10C3. If 3 variables are there, I require 2 cuts. 3 variables are there, I require 2 cuts. Please don't use this traditional method. Understand it very, very carefully, sir. First, forget about this value. A plus B plus C less than 35. Less than 35 means maximum value is 34. Lowest will be 3. 3 to 34. But now apply the lower limit. 10 less than A plus B plus C less than 35. That means I require from 11 to 34. This box I require. This box is nothing but total value. Total value, it is nothing but A plus B plus C less than 35 minus the remaining portion. Remaining portion, it is from 3 to 10. 3 to 10, it is nothing but less than 11. Less than means I will introduce a dummy variable. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 35. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 11. 35 is nothing but 34C3. 11 is nothing but 10C3. Answer is nothing but 34C3 minus 10C3. 2 more questions which we will solve. Then the idea will be extremely clear to you. Idea will be extremely clear to you. See here. Next one, suppose 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 40. 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 40. Now, Anil Nair's way. Listen carefully, sir. No need of counting. If you are counting it, I should reduce the time you take to do a counting. Anil Nair's way. See here. Forget about these lower limit. A, B, C, D. All are starting from 1. A, B, C, D are greater than or equivalent to 1. That means lowest it will be 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than 40 means it can go up to 39. It can go up to 39. Now you will easily get the answer. Now apply the lower limit. 12 less than means it should start from 13 and it would end at 39. So here, this value we require. This value is nothing but total value. Total value is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D less than 40 minus this entire value I have to take. So it is starting from 4 and it is ending at 12. Ending at 12 means it is less than 13. Are you all with me? So this is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 40 minus of A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 30. So these is nothing but 39C4. These is nothing but 12C4. Answer is 39C4 minus 12C4. You don't need any formula to solve this question. Logically, if you solve it, you will get the answer. Logically, if you solve it, you will get the answer. I hope this approach is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if everybody understood this approach. If everybody understood this approach, right, kindly reply. We will also keep less than or equivalent to, we will go step by step. First what I did? First I did it for this equation. A plus B plus C plus D less than 40. Then I applied the lower limit. So total minus remaining. I want from 13 to 13. Total minus all the values, it is less than 12. This equation, if you can write it, then you will get the answer. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. Everybody, those who are watching, kindly reply if this concept is clear to you. Is the idea clear to you? Perfect, right? This idea. Next one, another variety. A plus B is equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. When it is starting from 1, it is a natural number solution. If it is starting from 0, it is an whole number solution. It is an whole number solutions. whole number solutions. Method 1, counting. 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. So total answers are nothing but 5 values. Method 1, 0 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0, 5 solutions. Method number 2. Method number 2, a plus b is equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. Can I replace a with another variable and write it as x greater than or equivalent to 1? X equivalent to a plus 1. If it is starting from 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. X is greater than or equivalent to 1. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. That means I will replace it with another variable. Y is b plus 1. So y is nothing but greater than or equivalent to 1. So a will become x minus 1. B will become y minus 1 equivalent to 4. X comma y greater than or equivalent to 1. X plus y equivalent to 6. 6 is nothing but 5c1. 6 is nothing but 5c1. You don't need to do all these of replacing variables. All these it is not required. A plus b is equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. I know the approach if it is starting from 1. So add 1 to it, add 1 to it. 2 is added. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 means answer is nothing but 5c1. 6 is nothing but 5c1. Make every variable start from 1. Make every variable start from 1. A plus b equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. Make them start from 1. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 it is nothing but answer is 5c1. Answer is 5c1. Make the variables start from 1. Make the variables start from 1. Another questions. A plus b is equivalent to 8. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. A0, B0. Add 1, add 1. So it is nothing but 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is nothing but 9c1. Answer is nothing but 9c1. Suppose if 3 variables are there. A plus B plus C equivalent to 12. A is 0. B is 0. And C is 0. 0, 0, 0. Add 1, add 1, add 1. 12 plus 3, which is nothing but 15. 15 it is nothing but 14c2. Answer is nothing but 14c2. Now we have done one question where by using k1. Let us start with k1 0. A, B, C are odd natural numbers. If A, B, C are odd natural numbers, let me take 2k1 plus 1, 2k2 plus 1, 2k3 plus 1. So these is nothing but 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus 3. If it goes to the right hand side, minus 3, 48. k1 plus k2 plus k3 is 24. All are starting from zeros. K1 0, K2 0, K3 0. So make 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 24 plus 3, 27. Answer is nothing but 26C2. We got the same answer. We got the same answer. So, if you know positive integral solution, you can use non-negative integral solutions also to find the answer very, very fast. So, if it is starting from 0, add 1, 1, 1. So 3 is added. 24 plus 3, 27. Answer is 26C2. Answer is 26C2. I hope it is clear. Suppose if the question can also be asked like this. How many natural numbers and a whole number solutions? How many natural number and a whole number solutions exist for the equation? How many natural numbers and an whole number solution exists for the equation a plus b plus c equivalent to 8. Case number 1. Natural numbers means they all start from 1. A plus b plus c equivalent to 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Answer is 7C2. Answer is 7C2. Case number 2. A plus b plus c, it is nothing but 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 0. So we have to add 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Answer is nothing but 10C2. Answer is nothing but 10C2. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Instead of giving the variables starting from 1 or 0, he might also ask a question like this. How many natural number solutions, how many whole number solutions exist for the equation a plus b plus c equivalent to 8? Answer is 7C2 if it is starting from 1. If it is starting from 0, 1, 1, 1, 3 I need to add. 8 plus 3 is 11. Answer is 10C2. Case number 1 and case number 2. Next, another variety. A plus b plus c is less than or equivalent to 24. Is less than or equivalent to 24. These a, b, c are greater than or equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to 1. That means less than or equivalent to 24 means a plus b plus c can take 24. That means plus d equivalent to 24. D can take 0. D can take 0. I hope the idea it is clear. D can take 0. If it is 0, add 1 to it. 24 plus 1, 25. Answer is nothing but 24C3. Answer is nothing but 24C3. A plus b plus c plus d equivalent to 24. Plus d. D value can be 0. D value can be 0. A plus b plus c plus d less than or equivalent to 30. A, B, C, D. All are starting from zeros. If all are starting from zeros, a plus b plus c plus d plus e equivalent to 30. 30 can be equivalent to 0. If a plus b plus c plus d is 29, e value will be 1. So here e value can be 0. 0, 0, 0. Total 5 values I have to add. 30 plus 5, 35. Answer is nothing but 34C4. Answer is nothing but 34C4. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Idea it is clear. Now, instead of starting from 1 or 0, it can start from any other value. Idea it is clear, right? All the problems, just revise it, sir. It will be just an half an hour revision is required. That's all. All the models are there in your notes. A plus b plus c equivalent to 8. A greater than or equivalent to minus 1. B greater than or equivalent to minus 2. C greater than or equivalent to 3. He is asking how many integral solutions exist for this equation. How many integral solutions exist for this equation? Answer is nothing but all should start from 1. So how much I have to add? 2. How much I have to add? 3. How much I have to subtract? Minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 I have to subtract. So 3 I will add. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 means answer is 10C2. Single shot, directly you will get the answer. Answer is 10C2. A plus b plus c plus d equivalent to 23. A greater than or equivalent to minus 4. B greater than or equivalent to minus 3. C greater than or equivalent to minus 2. D greater than or equivalent to 3. How many integral solutions exist for this equation? I told you if the variables are starting from 1, it is a positive integral. If they are starting from 0, it is a whole number solution. Anything other than this, we are determining the integral solution. Minus 4, that means add 5, add 4, add 3. And it is subtracting 2. All of them I made it to 1. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. So 10 if I am adding it, it is nothing but 33. Answer is nothing but 32C3. Answer is nothing but 32C3. Till here, any doubts are there? Kindly ask. Till here, any doubts are there? Please ask. Any doubts are there? Kindly mention. Then we will solve a lot of good problems based upon this. 1 hour, I ensured that you are good in fundamentals. No need of using any formulae. Write how to solve variety of questions, whether it is sum of 2 dice, sum of 3 dice. I hope everything it is clear. Everybody kindly reply, sir. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. If it is clear, then we will get into some more problem solving. Any doubts are there till now? Any doubts are there till now? Kindly reply. I am waiting for your acknowledgement. I am waiting for your acknowledgement so that in case idea it is clear. Everybody clear, right? Now let us get into problem solving. One by one we will solve all the problems. Find the number of whole number solutions. Whole numbers. Whole number solution. A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 0. So it is plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Answer is 10C2. Answer is 10C2. Next one, if it is natural number solutions. Natural number solutions. These is nothing but A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. All are 1. So answer is nothing but 7C2. Already we did this model. Some of them are exam questions. So I am including first one. I hope it is clear. Second one. Find the number of integral solutions to the equation A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 20. Here minus 2 I have to add. Here plus 1 I have to add. Here minus 4 I have to subtract. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. So answer is 14C3. Answer is 14C3. Please don't use any of these n minus 1 CR plus 1, n minus R plus 1 CR minus 1. Don't use any of these stupid formulas. You don't need it. Right? So all of them needs to be made 1, minus 2, plus 1 and minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, 20 minus 5, 15. Answer is 14C3. Next one, A plus B plus C plus D. Here we have to subtract 1. Here I have to add 6. Here I have to subtract 7. So minus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So 30 minus 2, 28. Answer is 27C3. Answer is 27C3. I hope it is clear. Question number 3. If you do not know this method, then you might think that these questions are difficult. It is not difficult. Permutation and combination, probability, every possible model, I will discuss it in the class. Find the number of non-negative. Non-negative means all are starting from zeros. 0 means plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 19 plus 4, 23. Answer is nothing but 22C3. Answer is nothing but 22C3. Next one. Find the number of non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. So A, if it is 2k1 plus 1. B, it will be A, B, C, D, E are odd numbers. B is 2k2 plus 1. C is 2k3 plus 1. D is 2k4 plus 1. 2k4 plus 1. So this will become 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus k4. K4. This is an odd number, right? If it is an odd number, odd plus odd. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. This model also we discussed. Even plus even is even. Answer is an even number. 81, it is an odd number. That is the reason 81 by 2 I am getting a decimal. So answer is no value for A comma B comma C comma D exists. No value for A B C D exists. No value for A B C D exists. Right? Next one. Find the number of non-negative integral solutions. So A will be multiple of 4. A is 4k1, B is 4k2. Any multiple of 4 is 4 into something. 4k3. D is nothing but 4k4. So these 4 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus k4, which is nothing but 80. k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus k4, which is nothing but 20. All are starting from zeros. So k1, k2, k3, k4, because it is non-negative. 0 means 1, 1, 1 addition. So 4, if I add 20 plus 4 is 24. Answer is nothing but 23C3. Answer is nothing but 23C3. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Yes, I will explain the doubt also. Yes, sir. Just to hold for some time. I hope this idea it is clear. Just read the question, sir. Because it is a non-negative integral solution, all of them are starting from zeros. Find the number of non-negative integral solutions. A plus B plus C is 5. That means D plus E will become 15. A plus B plus E will become 5. 5 means here D and E are starting from 0. 1, 1 plus 2. 15 plus 2, 17. Answer is 16C1. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 0. It is plus 3, 8. Answer is 7C2. One after the other. 16C1 into 7C2. 16C1 into 7C2, it is the answer. Because it is a non-negative integral solutions, the variables are starting from 0. D0 is 0. 15 plus 2, 17, 16C1. A0, B0, C0. 5 plus 3, 8. Answer is 7C2. Next one. How many integral solutions are there to the system of equations A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 20, and A plus B it is 15. 0 is allowed. That means I am using non-negative integral solution. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative is, if A plus B is 15, that means C plus D plus E is 5. C, D, E, all are starting from zeros. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is nothing but 7C2. Here, A0, B0. These is nothing but plus 2. 15 plus 2, 16C1. Answer is 7C2 into 16C1. 7C2 into 16C1. Non-negative integral solution. 0 is allowed. Because 0 is allowed, it became a non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Another variety. Find the number of non-negative integral solutions. A plus B plus C plus 4D equivalent to 20. 4D equivalent to 20. Non-negative. So A, B, C, D all are ranging from starting from zeros. 0 is allowed means the values can take 0. That means that the non-negative integral solutions will satisfy the equation. A plus B plus C plus 4D equivalent to 20. If D is 0, answer is A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 20. A, B, C all are starting from zeros. 1, 1, 1, 23. Answer is nothing but 22C2. 22C2. If D value, if it is 1, A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 16. 16 is A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 0. 3. 16 plus 3, 19. Answer is 18C2. You don't need to do this because the coefficient is 4. Again 4 decrease, 14C2. Again 4 decrease, 10C2. Again 4 decrease, 6C2. That's all. This will be the value for D equivalent to 2. This will be the value for D equivalent to 3. This will be the value for D equivalent to 4. Right? Again D equivalent to 5. Again 2 decrease, 6 minus 4, 2C2. 2C2. So answer for this question is nothing but 22C2, 18C2, 14C2, 10C2, 6C2 and 2C2. This is the answer. 22C2, 18C2, 14C2, 10C2, 6C2 and 2C2. Right? D value can take from 0 to 5. D value greater than 5. D is 6, 24. 20 minus 24, it will get into negative. But I want a non-negative integral solution. See here, the coefficient is 4. Every time the n value is decreasing by 4. 22 minus 4, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. 14 minus 4, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Variety of questions are extremely important topic. Right after the class, concentrate on this one, sir. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Question is a plus b plus 3c less than or equivalent to 30. Already we did this model. Less than or equivalent to 30 means a plus b plus 3c plus d is equivalent to 30. Plus d is equivalent to 30. He is referring to positive integral solution. So a, b, c are greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. Only thing is that D will be greater than or equivalent to 0. Why? Because it is less than or equivalent to 30. D can be 0. So I will transpose the equation like this. A plus B plus D plus 3C equivalent to 30. 3C equivalent to 30. If C is equivalent to 1. If C is 1. What will be the answer? A plus B plus D. It is nothing but 27. It is nothing but 27. Here, D is greater than or equivalent to 0. So, 1 we have to add. 28. 28 means this will be 27C2. If C is 2, then we will do the parallelism. A plus B plus D is 30 minus 6, 24. D is 0. So, add 1, 25. Which is 24C2. 24C2. Now the coefficient is 3. So every time there is a decrease of 3. So answer is 27C2. 24C2. 3 9s are, 3 8s are, 3 7s are, 3 6s are, 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, and 3 1s are. Answer is till 3C2. 27C2, 24C2, 21C2, 18C2, 15C2, 12C2, 9C2, 6C2 and 3C2. I hope it is clear why D is 0. A plus B plus 3 plus C less than or equivalent to 30. It can be equivalent to 30. So A plus B plus 3C value can be 30. That means D can be 0. That is the reason D greater than or equivalent to 0. Because it is a positive integral solution, A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. So it is 3C. C value can be 1 because C is positive. C value can be 2. So C value can be till. C value, how much? C value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we got. If C value is 10, A plus B plus D will become 0. When all of them are 0, then only I will get 0. But A, B are starting with 1. A, B are starting with 1. Another question. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Next one. Find the number of integral solutions where A, B, C are non-negative distinct integers. Please put a star mark. Non-negative distinct integers. Non-negative distinct integers. Let me take a doubt asked by a student. SR, these for you. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 10. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. ABC less than or equivalent to 6. These nothing but, in how many ways can the sum of 3 dice will be 10? In how many ways can the sum of 3 dice will be 10? What will be the answer? If it is 10, all are starting with 1, 9C2. There are certain cases which are exceeding 6, 7, 1, 2. 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial 6 cases. 8, 1, 1. 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. 1 is repeated twice, so it is 3. These is nothing but 9C2 minus 9. 9C2 is nothing but 9 into 8 by 2 minus 9. 36 minus 9. Answer is nothing but 27. Answer is nothing but 27. Yes, sir, these for you. I hope the doubt is clear. Now let us discuss some more good variety. What is the question? Find the number of integral A, B, C are non-negative distinct integers. Distinct integers means A is not equivalent to B is not equivalent to C. A is not equivalent to B is not equivalent to C. See here. A plus B plus C, it is 43. First of all, A, B, C are non-negative. Non-negative means A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than or equivalent to 0 means, what is the total solutions we got? 0 means 1, 1, 1. 43 plus 3, 46. 46 is nothing but 45C2. N into n minus 1 by 2. These are the total solutions. 222s are. So total 990 solutions are there. Total 990 solutions are there where ABC greater than or equivalent to 0. In that one, 3 variables are equal. 3 variables are equal. In that total, there will be a cases where 3 variables are equal. 2 variables are equal. 2 variables are equal. No variables are equal. No variables are equal means distinct. Third case which we require. No variables are equal. 3 variables are equal. If A is equivalent to B is equivalent to C, this will become 3A equivalent to 43. 43 is not a multiple of 3. So these are not possible. 3 variables equal with right hand side 43, it is not possible. 2 variables equal. Say A is equivalent to B. So this will become 2A plus C is equivalent to 43. 2A plus C is equivalent to 43. Let us make a table. A and C. If A is 1, 2 plus C is 43. C value will be 41. 2 plus, if A value is 2, 4 plus C is 43. This will be 39. If A value, it is 3. This will be 37. Am I right? This will go on up to A value 21. 2 21s are 42. This value will be 1. This value will be 1. Are you with me? So 1 to 21. 1 to 21. It is non-negative, right? So if it is non-negative, if A is 0, C will also be 43. A will be 0, C will be 43. If A is 0, C will be 43. A is 1. 2 plus C is 43, C will be 41. A is 2, C will be 39. That means 0 to 21. How many cases we got 2 variables equal? 22 cases. That means 22 cases will have A equivalent to B, B equivalent to C, C equivalent to A. So 22 into 3, 66 cases we got. So answer is nothing but total cases minus cases where all the 3 variables are equal and the cases where 2 variables are equal. Answer is nothing but 924. 924 cases are there. 924 cases are there where no variables are equal. Is the idea, it is clear. 924. A plus B plus C is 43. 43 means total 45 C2 cases we will get. 45 C2 cases we will get. A is 0, C 43, A is 1, C 41. Like that 0 to 21 cases I got. 0 to 21 cases means 22 cases. 22 cases where A is equivalent to B. 22 cases B is equivalent to C. 22 cases A is equivalent to C. 22 into 3 is 66. Out of 990, 3 variables equal are 0. 2 variables equal are 66. 990 minus 66. Answer is 924. 924. Now see here. Listen carefully. A not equivalent to B not equivalent to C. How many cases we got? 924 cases we got. In that one, the question can also be like this. A less than B less than C. A less than B greater than C. A greater than B greater than C. A greater than B less than C. A greater than B less than C. Am I right? So this one, if it is there, now see here, if three numbers can arrange among themselves, for example 1, 2, 3. In how many ways it can be arranged? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 6 ways it can be arranged. 6 ways it can be arranged. So there is only one way, 1 less than B, A less than B less than C. 1 out of 6 cases. 1 by 6 into 924, which is nothing but 154. There is only one case where A is greater than B is greater than 6. 1 by 6 into 924, which is 154. Sorry, these for this one answer. A greater than B greater than C. A less than B greater than C, let us see. A less than B. 1 less than 3 greater than 2. 2 less than 3 greater than 1. So it is nothing but 2 by 6 into 924. Which is 308. 2 by 6 into 924, which is 308. I hope it is clear. He might also ask you, A less than B less than C, A greater than B greater than C, A greater than B less than C, A less than B greater than C. So these are the total 6 cases. I hope it is clear. Everybody kindly reply, sir. This is a cat replica model, sir. Cat replica model. A plus B plus C equivalent to 43. We did it for a distinct. A not equivalent to B not equivalent to C. Not equivalent to means all of them can be in ascending order. All of them can be in descending order. A less than B greater than C. A greater than B less than C. Everybody kindly reply if this idea it is clear. 3 numbers, 3 variables can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Ascending order one way will be there, descending order one way will be there. A less than B greater than C. Fix B, interchange A and C. So there are 2 ways are there. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Right? These are some of the questions. A bakery sells 6 different kinds of pastries. P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 plus P6. 6 different pastries. If a bakery has at least a dozen of each kind, total I should give 12. What if the box contains, for a box of dozen pastries are there, How many different options? What if each box contains at least one of each kind? So P1, P2, P6 greater than or equivalent to 1. Answer is nothing but 11C5. If they are starting from 0, 12 plus 6, 18. Answer is nothing but 17, 5, 6, 5. So this is 1, right? It is nothing but at least one of each kind. At least one of each kind. Different options means I may write greater than or equivalent to. A box may not be used also. So this one and this one. One is 11C5, another is 17C5. Another is 17C5. Here A not equivalent to. Total cases are 990. 3 variables equal are 0. And this is nothing but A not equivalent to B not equivalent to C. Here I got 924. Here it is 666. In the distinct I am doing these subconditions. In the distinct I am doing subconditions, Naveen. So that is the reason A not equivalent to B not equivalent to C. A not equivalent to B not equivalent to C. There are 12 intermediate stations between Delhi and Bangalore. There is Delhi and Bangalore. There are 12 intermediate stations. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S11, S12. This is the question. Okay. In how many ways can a train be made to stop at 4 of these stations? Any 4 of these stations, such that no 2 of them are consecutive. Any 4. Let me pick this. Let me pick this. Let me pick this. Let me pick this. So 4 stations are there. Here, these A, these is nothing but B, these is nothing but C, these is nothing but D, and these is nothing. After S12, it is nothing but E. So out of 12 intermediate stations, 4 stations I picked up. Remaining it is nothing but 8. A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 8. That station which I picked up could be the first station. That means to the left of first station, there is no other station. There is no other station. There is no other station. This is the source and this is the destination. Right? Only with respect to station. I can also choose S1, right? To the left of S1, are there any other stations? No. So A value can take 0. A value can take S1, S2 or S3. Between these both, minimum 1 station should be there. B is 1. Between these two, 1 station should be there. There should be 1 station should be there. Right? These S2 could be the ending station. So E will be 0. Is these clear? A0, B1, C1, D1, D0. 4 stations I am choosing. If 4 stations which I am choosing, the first station which I am choosing could be the first station. The train will halt at first station. So if S1 it is 0, to the left of S1, are there any stations? No. A is 0. A is 0. Between 2 stations, they are not consecutive. So between at least 1 more station will be there. Between 1 more station will be there. See, if I am choosing 4 stations, total 5 gaps will come. 1 gap, 2nd gap, 3rd gap, 4th gap and 5th gap. This gap can be 0 because it could be the first station. This gap can be 0. It could be the last station. Between 2 stations, they are not consecutive. So it is 1. So plus 1, it is plus 1. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, it is 10. Answer is nothing but 9C4. Answer is nothing but 9C4. Out of 12 stations, I have to pick 4 stations. 4 stations I have to pick. If this is 4, this could be the first station, this could be the last station. A can take 0, E can. If 4 are there, gap is to the left of first A. This is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. So A can be 0, E can be 0. Remaining all They are not consecutive, B is 1. You don't need to do any enumeration. You don't need to do any enumeration. Any enumeration. Answer for this question is 9C4. Answer is nothing but 9C4. Next one, there are 20 intermediate stations, S1, S2, S3 till S20. Between A and B. Between A and B. A train can stop at 3 stations. A train can stop at 3 stations. Now you only tell me, sir. 3 stations it is there. If 3 stations if it is there, how many gaps will come? A to the left of first station, B, C and D. A plus B plus C plus D. 3 are chosen, remaining are 17. This can be left, it can be the first station, A0. Between this one, minimum 1 should be there. Between minimum 1 should be there. D could be the last station. It is 0. 17 plus 2, 19. Answer is nothing but 18C3. Answer is nothing but 18C3. Very, very easy question if you understand it. Total 20 stations are there. I choose 3 stations. Remaining gaps are nothing but here. If I choose 3 stations, to the left of first station, A, B, C, D. A plus B plus C plus D is 17. S1 could be the first station. So to the left of S1, A is 0. To the right of last station, D is 0. In between, okay, one minute, sir. 1 minute. I think we have not read the question properly. A train can stop at 3. There must be minimum 3 stops between the intermediate stoppings. That means B will be 3. B will be 3. B will be 3. C will also be 3. C will also be 3. Are you all with me? So if B is 3 and C will be 3, what will be the answer? D is nothing but minus 2. D is nothing but minus 2. D is nothing but plus 1. D is nothing but plus 1. D is nothing but plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 17 minus 2, 15. Answer is 14C3. Answer is 14C3. Between two intermediate stations, there has to be minimum 3 stops. Minimum 3 stops. So B is greater than or equivalent to 3. C 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 is greater than. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Again, I will explain. Suppose, in case if there is a confusion, there are 20 intermediate stations. A train can stop at 3 of the stations. Let this will be S1, S5 and S20. So this is nothing but A. This is nothing but B. This is nothing but C. This is nothing but D. Out of 23 I chose. Remaining is nothing but 17. A plus B plus C plus D is 17. There must be minimum 3 stops. B is greater than or equivalent to 3. C is also 3. A could be the first station. A will be 0. D will be 0. So what will be the answer? 3 means it is minus 2 minus 2. It is plus 1 and it is plus 1. So minus 2. It is nothing but 14C3. I hope the idea it is clear. 14C3. These are all very, very easy question. How many set of 3 numbers can be formed from the numbers 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20. If no 2 consecutive numbers are to be in a set. No 2 consecutive numbers to be in a set. Suppose 3 numbers, right? I am choosing 3 numbers. If I choose 3 numbers, for example, A, B, C or A, B, C, if I choose it. Now, if you see here, if I choose 3 numbers, remaining these gap is nothing but X. These gap is nothing but Y. These gap is nothing but Z. These gap is nothing but W. These gap value which I chose, remaining X plus Y plus Z plus W, it is nothing but 17. Leftmost it can be 0. right? No two consecutive numbers. That means y is greater than or equivalent to 1. Z is greater than or equivalent to 1. W will be 0. 17 plus 2, 19. Answer is nothing but 18C4. Answer is nothing but 18C4. Easily you will get the answer. Easily you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. Between two, no two consecutive numbers are to be there. So between one element is there. Between minimum one element is there. This could be the first value. This could be the last value. X plus y plus z plus w. It is nothing but 17. Idea it is clear, right? Such an easy questions you can solve it. Find the number of solutions to the equation a plus b plus c. It is nothing but 48. A, B, C are distinct and positive. So if it is positive, A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Answer is 47C2. 47C2 is nothing but 47 into 46 by 2. These 23. These nothing but 47 can be written as 50 minus 3 into 23. This is 1150 minus 69. Minus 69. 10 minus 9, which is 1. 1/4, right? So these are nothing but 9. So these are nothing but 1150 minus 69. 114. 1081. 1081 positive integral solutions are there. Same model we discussed. I want a less than b less than c. First we will do 3 variables are equal. 3 variables are equal. Then 2 variables are equal. 3 variables are equal, and then 2 variables are equal, and then no variables are equal. Once you got no variables are equal, then in that one we will do 1/6. 3 variables are equal. 3a equivalent to 48. 16, 16, 16. One case we got. 2 variables are equal. If I take 2 variables, say a is equivalent to b. It is nothing but 2a plus c is equivalent to 48. 2a plus c is equivalent to 48. This is a. It is positive. So a value 1. This is nothing but 46. 2 plus c is 48. C value is 46. A value, if it is 2, c value will be 44. C value will be 44. And so on up to a value, if it is 16, c will be 16. This case we should not count, because if a is 16, b will be 16, c will be 16. Already we counted. So if a value is 23, c value will be 2. 46 plus 2 is nothing but 48. That means from 1 to 23. 1 to 23, how many values we got? 23. This case we should not take, because this is the case where all the 3 variables are equal. So 22 cases we got. A equivalent to b, b equivalent to c, c equivalent to a. So total 66 we got. So out of 1081, there is one case where all the 3 variables are equal. There are 66 cases where 2 variables are equal. So these is nothing but 1081 minus 67. These is nothing but 11 minus 7, 4. These is nothing but 1014. In that 1014, a less than b less than c is 1/6 into 1014. 6 ones are 6, 41, 6 6 are 36. Answer is 169 cases are there where a is less than b less than c. I hope it is clear why, even though we got 23, I eliminated that case. If a is 16, a is equivalent to b, b is 16, and c is also 16. 16, 16, 16 is a case where 3 variables are equal, where it is 3 variables are equal, 16, 16, 16, 1 to 23, 23 cases, out of which one case is not possible. So 22 into 3 is 66. Y into 3 came, A equivalent to B, B equivalent to C, and A equivalent to C. 66 cases. 1081 minus of 67. 1014 cases are distinct. In that distinct, 3 numbers can be arranged amongst themselves in 3 factorial. So 1 by 6 into 1014. Answer is 169. Answer is 169. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Find the number of integral solutions for the equation mod A plus mod B equivalent to 15. Now I will tell you in a 2 methods. Method number 1. Method number 1. First we will see the definition of a modulus function. First we will see the definition of a modulus function. Modulus function. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Modulus function always returns a positive value. It always gives a positive value, right? Now, the definition is mod x equivalent to x if x is greater than 0. If x is negative, it transforms to minus x. Negative into negative, I will get positive. Mod x equivalent to x if x is greater than 0. Mod x equivalent to minus x if x is less than 0. Mod 2 is 2 and mod of minus 2 is also 2. Mod of 2 is 2 and mod of minus 2 is also 2. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Now see here, how to solve this one. Step number 1. Step number 1. Say no variable is 0. If no variable is 0, mod A plus mod B equivalent to 15. Right? Modulus always returns a positive value. A plus B is equivalent to 15. A plus B is equivalent to 15. 15 means no variable is 0. If no variable is 0 means it is taking A, B greater than or equivalent to 1. 15 means what will be the answer? 14C1. This is A. It could be possible inside. It could be mod of plus A or mod of minus A. Modulus inside it could be positive, it could be negative. This is also plus B. Modular inside it can be plus, inside it can be minus. So 4 14s are 56. It is no variable 0. Step number 2. Say one variable 0. If say one variable, if it is 0, this is nothing but let A equivalent to 0, mod B equivalent to 15. 2 cases I will get. Mod of 15 is 15, mod of minus 15 is 15. Similarly, A can be 0 and B can be 0. 2 2s are 4. So 56 plus 4. What is the answer for this question? 60. Answer for this question is nothing but 60. I hope it is clear. Answer is nothing but 60. No variable 0 and one variable 0. It is a 2-step process. Say no variable 0 and say one variable it is 0. Why this is 2 came? Inside can be plus, inside can be minus. Inside can be plus, inside can be minus. Why it is 14C1? Because no variable is 0. If a variable is 0, then I will take a non-negative. 15 means 14 gaps are there, 14C1. 14 4s are 56. A is 0 or B is 0. A is 0 or B is 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Now, method number 2. Method number 2. Mod A plus mod B equivalent to 15. Mod A plus mod B equivalent to 15. This is the graph of a rhombus. This is how the graph will be. This is nothing but 0, 0. This is nothing but 15, 0. This is nothing but minus 15, 0. D is nothing but 0 comma 15. D is nothing but 0 comma minus 15. Similarly, one more value will come, 1 comma 14. Similarly, 2 comma 13, one more will come. Many values will keep coming like this. So, every point has got its mirror or water image. How many values? 4. So, mod A plus mod B equivalent to K. Directly you can say the total number of integral solutions will be, the total number of integral solutions will be 4 into K. The total number of integral solutions will be 4 into K. You can also look at it in this angle. 4 into K. Why 4 into K came? Another. Every point has got 4 choices in 4 quadrants. Right? 1 comma 14, 1 comma minus 14, minus 1 comma 14, minus 1 comma minus 14. Every point 4 choices will come. Every point 4 choices will come. I hope it is clear, because inside it can be plus plus, inside it can be plus minus, it can be minus minus, it can be minus plus. 4 choices will come for a particular value. So it is 4 into K. Or you can look at it like this. From 0, 0, if I am traveling to 15, 0 to 15, how many cases are there? 16 cases. 0 to 15, 16 cases. 0 to 15, 16 cases. 0 to 15, 16 cases. Total 64 cases. In that one, 0 comma 0 is added 4 times. That will not satisfy the equation. 64 minus 4 is nothing but 60. 64 minus 4, it is nothing but 60. Idea, it is clear, right? Extremely important point. Mod A plus mod B equivalent to K. The number of integral solutions will be 4 into K. Mod A plus mod B equivalent to K. Number of integral solutions will be 4 into K. I hope the idea, it is clear. Right? So, these are nothing but mod A plus mod B equivalent to 15. Answer is nothing but 4 into 15, which is nothing but 60. Suppose if the question is mod A minus 2 plus mod B minus 3 equivalent to 15. It is nothing but a shifting of a graph. It is nothing but a shifting of a graph. Shifting of a graph from 0, 0 to 2 comma 3. If I shift the graph from 0, 0 to 2 comma 3, number of integral points will not change. Number of integral points will not change. So, answer still remains the same. Answer is 4 into 15. Answer is still 60. Answer is still 60. If I shift the graph, or rotate the graph, if I shift the graph or rotate the graph, number of integral points will not change. Number of integral points will not change. I hope the idea is clear. Even if the question is like this, answer will still be 4 into 15, 60. 4 into 15, 60. One more variety which we will solve. Suppose these are nothing but mod A plus mod B. It is equivalent to 15. What is the answer we got? Total number of integral solutions 60. These, if the question is mod A plus mod B, it is less than 15. If it is less than 15, what will be the answer? Mod A plus mod B. It is an integer, so it can be 14, it can be 13, it can be 12, and it can be 0. 14 means what will be the answer? 56. D is 52. D is 48. And 0, it is nothing but 1. 1, it will be nothing but 4. 2, it is nothing but 8. I hope it is clear. So, 1 plus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 14s are 56. So, it is nothing but 1 plus 14 by 2 into 4 plus 56. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into first term plus last term. N by 2 into first term plus last term. I hope the idea it is clear. Mod A plus mod B less than 15 is 14, 13, 12 and so on up to 0. 14 means 56, 13 is 52, 12 is 48 and so on up to 2 means 8, 1 means 4, 0 means 0 plus 0 is 0. Only one case it will be there. Or in simple language, if it is less than, these divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4 plus 1. Answer should be of the form 4k plus 1. Answer should be of the form 4k plus 1. Answer should be of the form 4k plus 1. If other than 0, all the values there will be 4 points that will come. 1 will be 4, 2 will be 8, 3 will be 12, 12 will be 48, 13 will be 52, 14 will be 56. Answer is 4k plus 1. Answer is 4k plus 1. One more model. Mod A plus mod B is less than or equivalent to 6. If it is less than or equivalent to 6, what will be the answer? Mod A plus mod B. If it is 6, these 5, these 4, these 3, 2 and it is 0. And it is 0. So this will be 6 is nothing but 24, 5 is 20, 4 is 16, it is 12, these 8, these 4 and 0 is nothing but 1. Add all these values, you will get the answer. Add all these values, you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. So we did all the problems based on mod A plus mod B equivalent to k, less than k and less than or equivalent to k. Mod A plus mod B equivalent to k, less than k and less than or equivalent to k. I hope the idea it is clear, right? In the next class we will do for 3 variables, we will do number of distinct terms, we will do how to find out the integral solution. For this kind of questions we will do how many integers have the sum of the digits 18. Some more very good questions which we will solve it. Any doubts are there? I'm sure we did more than 30 plus problems in 2 hours of class. Any doubts are there, you can mention. Any doubts are there? All the variety of models, you don't need to refer any textbook, right? All the possible models, I covered it in a single class. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. Any